Hi everyone. In this quick video, I will show you how to fix the access denied problem in Outlook, where you cannot open your emails and you only see a shield icon saying access denied. This issue usually happens when Outlook has lost your sign-in authentication. Let's fix it in less than 1 minute. Open your Outlook desktop app. On the left side, click the settings icon. In the settings panel, click on Accounts. You will see a list of all email accounts added in Outlook. Click the account that is showing the access denied message. Now you will notice a yellow sign in warning under your email here. Click the yellow sign in button. A login window will appear. Enter your email and password again. If your organization uses MFA or verification, complete that authentication. Close Outlook completely. Open it again. Your inbox should now load normally, and the access denied message will be gone. And that's it. Your Outlook is now working again. Other possible solutions include restarting Outlook completely, removing and re-adding the email account from Outlook, checking if your school or work account has expired or been disabled by the admin, updating Outlook to the latest version, clearing Outlook credentials from Windows Credential Manager, making sure your device date and time are correct, repairing the Outlook app from Settings, Apps, Installed Apps, Outlook, Advanced Options, Repair, signing out, and signing in again to your Microsoft account in Windows, running Outlook in safe mode using outlook.exe/safe, and ensuring that your internet connection or VPN is not blocking authentication. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more quick tech fixes.